Alrighty. Let's get some music going, huh? Alright, let's have a look here. Can't do anything just here right now. Just gotta wait. I'll do a bit of analysis in a minute. Alright, is that too loud? Or is that alright?
Too low.
Too low?
No. Okay.
Alright. Cool. Let's see what we've got here. So German 40 just corrected the whole bloody move.
Yeah. After that, 2 hour took out. Also 1 hour also took out that liquidity. 1 hour liquidity.
Yeah, I wish I had mine to sell down to this bloody thing instead of trying to take buy up here. But I did get that buy eventually. Just took it on the oh god, come on the 5 minute. So price came down, doji, liquidity candle, take the buy. Got in at 15.923.7, I think it was. Or 27.6. Yeah, no, sorry, it was down here. It's two around here. Around this zone. With spread 23.7, I think it was. More or less here. Closed it though, you know. Bloody thing. Closed it around here. Didn't already. Yeah. Yeah. Then it just continued to ride. So should have just left some. Wasn't thinking.
Yeah, my runner got stopped out after.
Yeah, I was out. I went out for a little run, try to rehab my calf. And I was like, oh, I don't want to think about it. Anyway. Now we're it's Goldilocks time. So daily candle. The way I see it. Is that it was pretty low volume day. I'm not sure what we're going to see. 4 hour candle. We've got more dojis, wicks, dojis, wicks, dojis. So price, is this a rejection wick or is this a wick to be filled? So 2 hour candle, left more wicks. It's just a shit price action. But we've got this wick that we can trade into and see if we can get rejection. So let's just drag this across over here. Let's check the 1 hours. 1 hour pushing down, comics open, no top wick on this hour. And now we didn't break the high even, so we're just really in range in pattern. 30 minute, we've got this doji. There's a doji high. So we took it. Can we push down into this area? We've got a little doji. Sorry, we've got a nice little setup here actually. So is this going to be respected or broken? 5 minute. You have to wait till the 4-hour candle's going to close. We've got. Do we have rejections on the downside? We do. We've got a little couple rejections here. Price is continuously making new lows. So the probability is to keep on retesting these lows. We don't really have much of a rejection from the downside. So no buys. Sells. I'd rather, I'd rather wait till we're in this blue zone. But even though we have taken out this area. Low volume. So okay, 30 minutes here. Just gonna play the range game. Hey Mahad, how are you, buddy? Long time no see. So what I will do is I'll just get my sessions up here. I haven't got any bias because we're contained within the previous New York session. Asian high took out the New York high. London hasn't done anything. So if London has created the range, clean candles up and down, I want to see, are we going to have a New York session that doesn't take the high or the low? Highly doubtful. Highly doubtful. We need to take out one of them. We've got clean range underneath here. So if 54, 55 is not even holding, then we can start digging down into here. So that would be a nice one to attack. Daily candle though, we've shown 2 rejections, and this is a daily candle, like a little doji candle. So let's see if we can get manipulation down here. What have you been doing then? Like after back trading after months, were you on holiday or did you just take a break? Sometimes it's good to have a step back, refresh. 30 minutes, a doji candle. Let's have a look at this guy. Put a little range box there, see if this kids in work. Oh yeah. Well, it's good to have you back, mate. Bias is short. From the higher time frame, it's looking more longs, like the daily candles. But I can see shorts working out. If this is just accumulation and like price pushed down, made a low that hasn't been retested really, did a little retest and grab liquidity from here. So maybe before it makes more upside, it's going to retest, a deeper retest. So I have to keep both options open. Well, let's just, oh, wrong one, that's trend line. Idiot. Gosh. London low for today. Yeah, especially if we can close under there. We've got, like, there's not much that would, what would make it stop? Like if price was breaking and was, say we had broken down like here and price is looking like this, would anyone want to be long in something like that? Even if the higher time frames are more suggestive of longs. So that is a outcome. A wait and see outcome. London's already did the pullback. So pullback 50% at least. You're looking for longs, aren't you, actually?
Yeah.
I'm looking for similar thing like Akshay, but for me to take along 54.20 has to hold 54.25. If it breaks below that, I'm going to look for it.
You go for sells then?
Yeah, below that, yes, I'm good for sells till 49, 42, 37. Those are my levels.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. See, we've got a sensitive area across here. A lot of little pokes into this zone. So this is roughly where your level is, a 54.20 something. New York low. You say 54.50? This is going to be a grey box. Yeah, but I like to target this clean candle as well, but maybe not today. But anything can happen. Okay, so from this area, this is the last bearish candle which started all this move. And then we had like this is the parent. These are little kids that continue the momentum. So we've got dojis here, so I don't want to take anything like this. I'd like to see it dip lower first. Change my bloody lot size again. Oh no, because now we're back to gold. Don't want to do no German 40 lot sizes here. So this box, the purple outline with the light blue, is the 30-minute doji. But the bottom of it started the doji, the top of it started the doji. So just gotta wait and see, mate. To wait and see. We've got Canadian interest rate news as well at 3 o'clock.
10 a.m. Yep. 10 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
Anticipating it to stay same, but you never know.
Yeah, they've indicated that they were going to hold.
Yes.
Did they raise it last time? Canada.
No, this year no.
Changed 25th of January.
Yeah, that's the last one. After
that's the last one?
Nothing happened. I think so.
For the last 5 months? No, that's old.
No. They changed last time in October. December 4.25 and January 4.5. That's the last time.
It is the last one.
Yeah. So March they didn't do anything. April stayed the same, and now this is June. So we'll see.
This is wrong. Look, Euro area, definitely not 0.5%. All these other ones seem to have updated, but this one hasn't.
Yeah.
Oh well. All right. Well, let's see what happens.
waiting for the hourly manipulation happen. Like for that to happen, it has to break the previous 30-minute low and then again start moving to the upside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 30 minutes started the little wick. So pull a little bit of liquidity, broke the doji low, and then pushed up. We didn't create a new high though. Now we've got another doji.
I'm talking about, this doji. So if price able to break that doji low, and then again we get any kind of bullish momentum in this box, then we can again start moving to the upside.
Yeah, it's worth a shout then.
And we also in 1 minute left like a imbalance candle here, no bottom wick on 1 minute.
Yeah, 57.14. That's where the imbalance candle is, right? That's what you're talking about. Yeah. And my terminal, I have the same imbalance on my terminal. That's what I love, FXCM, and my broker matches dot to dot.
Yeah. Which is really weird because FXCM matches my Pepperstone, but FXCM doesn't match FXCM.
Oh, I see.
It's really weird.
The actual FXCM broker doesn't match the actual TradingView.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. The actual FXCM is weird. They were the first broker I was with, and they were strange because just had a look. I remember back then they used to do weird things. It used to be quite difficult for me to understand like FXCM broker time on the bottom line, because they would use GMT 0 all the time, never change.
Yeah.
So sometimes the start of the day was 2100, sometimes it was 2200 on the bottom scale, and then they have the Sunday candle as well. So you look at the daily and try to count back the daily candles, and you got this like little midget candle all the time.
Yeah.
So these are the people who are trading in Sunday also.
Well, I don't think you can. I don't think you can actually take a trade though. They give you the Sunday data, but I don't think it's still actually. If you try to trade it, it's closed.
I mean, for me, Sunday 6 p.m. market opens, right? So, but technically, I don't know if that's still considered Sunday or the next day.
Yeah.
So it opens. You can get pre-market data from 3 p.m. your Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can start trading from 6 p.m. Eastern time, Sunday.
Because that's when New Zealand opens.
Okay. So that's Monday. Yeah.
Yeah. So because Australia will open at 8 a.m. New Zealand will open at 6 a.m. But the market you can't actually trade. But you will get some pre-market data.
Okay. I see what you mean. Yeah.
About 400 pip spread.
Yep. You'll get some big spreads at that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please, can you look at the 3 hours again? You see the candle closed. So
3 hours closed now. Yeah.
Now we have the zone for the previous completed FE, right, to the upside, which completed the 8 here. So if we see any manipulation below this, the close of
3 hour low. Yeah, previous 3 hour low. That's also I'm waiting for at least any kind of manipulation happen there.
Does not concern you?
What about
these two candles?
Yeah, I mean we still are right now in the range, like HCS from bottom side also, HCS from upside also, same like a daily. Yeah, daily also we create HCS from upside and HCS from bottom side. We're just anticipating that the price will not going to break that low and just going to manipulate here. So that's why I'm waiting for the price to take out that 30-minute low. Once the price taken out that low, and we are respecting that our true stop loss still going to be below here, this candle low. So until unless price is, that's why I'm looking for, if price able to break that, then I can look for the short opportunity to the downside.
Okay, so eventually, technically we can take the buy, but just that the true stop is going to be huge.
I mean the anticipation is the hourly has to close bullish, and it has to close like a attempted FU or FU candle.
Okay.
That's the that's we are looking for, and anticipating or visualizing that the hourly candle has to close in our direction after a taking entry.
So if we see maybe 1 minute or 5 minute HCS after that 3 hour candle, we can, for the buy, we can enter, right?
Yeah. That's why I'm waiting for price to come back downside. And if any kind of manipulation happen here, we can look for the buy opportunity and anticipating that the hourly candle going to close bullish one.
Okay, great.
Then we can go all the way to the upside, and maybe this time price going to break the high here.
But then if we enter, at least the minimum is we can target the wick of this, the previous, what do you call it, the 3 hour candle, right?
Yeah, but you can go into the mid level, like this is a trend line liquidity, or this is the imbalance candle. All these are your targets then. Because you are trying to go against that 3 hours FU candle or negation candle, then you have to secure some profit. Otherwise, price can come anywhere and reject from that area and again start moving to the downside.
Okay.
So securing is always secure some profit whenever you think that we are in the range.
Okay.
So you never know which side price is going to break.
Thank you.
Hey Hayden, how long that 3 hour candle got on it?
On
it just started
on
or?
Forex.com, it's only just opened 15 minutes ago.
Okay.
On the other one, it's still got an hour and 15 minutes before it closes.
You're on Forex. You're on the same as us at the moment, aren't you?
Yeah, I switched back to FX.
Yeah. Cool.
Price is really slow today.
Yeah, I figured it would be pretty slow. It's definitely not a full margin day.
I don't know what's they are waiting for. Is there any news tomorrow or in this week?
News is massive next week, but because there's little news, and that's also why there's nothing really to change the momentum on a day-to-day basis. So it's sort of just like holding and hovering.
I think market maker is also confused right now where we should move.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we have unemployment claim, and Friday we don't have anything.
Yeah.
Akshay.
Yeah.
I can hardly hear you, brother.
Oh, okay.
I can hear him alright.
Okay, now can you hear me, or still the low?
No, it's the same. Same on my side.
Okay. Everyone else can hear me okay?
No, I can hear you better. Yeah, you were a bit quiet actually before.
Oh, okay.
Come on, push. I'm in a little buy from the 30 minutes.
Oh yeah. Let me flick over to that.
Okay, just push, then push.
Don Vo is in a sell.
Oh, you're
No,
going
no,
against
it's
them, mate.
inside. Oh man.
Nice setup, Eddie.
So now you are going to take his stop loss.
His stop loss is fucking.
Oh,
He's got like 100 pip stop loss, man.
yeah, 1960.
Eddie wants to take his stop loss. He
Yeah,
wants
that'd be a 100 pip move.
Man, he got the entry exactly like a tap here.
Yeah, I was gonna say right on that wick there, right there, and here's my entry. Oh, got 12 pips.
Done, mate.
Yeah, just secure your counter trending. So just secure.
Got a little wick up here as well, a little rejection. But the thing is, the 30-minute doji. That's an issue right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be right back. Just gotta take care of something.
I should have taken that, Eddie. That's my setup.
That's
Nice.
support.
Yeah,
Break it,
that's a 10 lot.
pulse.
That's a 10 lot. That's a 10 lot
Bang.
setup right there. 10 pips, easy.
Then you already got a winning trade, so you don't have to worry about this setup now.
No. I'm fine. I'm exactly right. I'm at 2% for the day. I'm okay. I'm just watching. That's why I didn't take it.
Come on.
But she's pushing. I got
80
FOMO.
pips.
Okay, just push to the 1963.67.
You know, if you look at the 15 minutes, it has like already HCS formed, and that's
Okay.
like the third time.
15 minute. Yeah. 15 minute only. If you just, I wanted to say that hourly manipulation, because then I can hold it for the longer period. Maybe I missed the entry then.
High probability that you get that wick fill. If you got a clean candle, then a wick like the doji like that, it's a high probability, and it's done it again. I've been looking at it for quite a while. Nice. Well done, Eddie.
Yeah, just push to the 1963.67. That's the
That's your take profit?
No, downward stop loss.
Donny. Good old Donny, eh?
Donny boy. Hey, he does well. He does really well for himself, so.
Yeah.
I don't know how, but he does it.
I mean, he took a lot of play off the stream also. So, lot of the winning trades also off the stream.
Yeah, it's a pain having to like try take trades.
Less
on
pressure.
The stream. Because the market's like just. How many times does it move as soon as we close it? And are we going to like do 4-hour streams every single day? And sometimes you just got to wait for a level to be hit. There's no issue. It's like just as soon as the level's hit, then it's then you should take the trade. Set alerts, be more efficient. Like try and actually make it happen at the same time. Like right now. Sometimes we get lucky.
Just put a alerts here at the I just wanted to take entry if the price breaking this thing. Then I can just come back afterward. Once the price hit that, then I can look for the chart. I don't have to look at the chart.
Exactly, like German would have been perfect today. Just at that 2 hour doji, clear area, putting a lot there. Midnight open. You mean like the Asian high? I mean, sorry, Asian session. Where is it? Come on, man. Here. Around 64, huh?
So what's the use of midnight open?
I'm not sure. Maybe this is target.
Maybe they're referring to ICT because he uses midnight to midnight.
That'd be the daily candle flip point. You still holding?
Yes.
Yeah, hold
I
like
am.
a champion.
At least 61.
No, at least 63.
I've got it at 62. Got it in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle.
I actually do have it at 62.
Neckline. Yeah.
Plus I've got the 200 and the 50 MA there as well, so
We're going to get some volume.
I'll be
5 minutes.
I'll be happy there.
Nice, Eddie. I got severe case of FOMO. Well done.
I think you can target that 63.58 area. That's a 50-minute doji there.
$63 what, sorry?
63.58. That's a 15-minute doji.
You've got that doji. What about the one prior at 62.99 or 63? Isn't that a doji as well?
15 minute.
Which time frame?
Yeah, on the 15.
This one here.
Yeah, that's the doji I'm talking about.
What about the little fat one that ate too much?
Yeah, I mean it can even push even higher also. It's just the manipulation we wanted haven't got, so it's just maybe just a pullback. It can even start moving to the downside afterward. But you already secure, so you don't have to worry. Just a bonus now.
I've secured and stop loss a bit higher now from entry, so did you see the other day Don did he had I think it was start of the week. Was it start of the week or last week? He had, I don't know, six or seven trades. He was 270 lots in.
Holy.
So he used up his old margin, and he showed a screenshot. It was
so
60k in drawdown.
Yeah, so what he did was just took a short position, price pushed to the upside, candle closing direction, again took a short position, again took a short position, again took a short position like this. And once price is moving in direction, he closed
the top one.
Profits. Yeah, profits like.
Yeah, gotcha.
But one of his positions was like in 90 pips drawdown.
Got triple manipulation of the high of the 30-minute candle.
Careful.
Yeah, we've got NYC in 2 minutes. Gonna wait for that. But this could just push down with NYC volume. Could this retest this area or close above? Or is it gonna retest it?
He's gonna push first.
Yeah. What, like, I want to see where this New York Stock Exchange goes. The volume coming in. What's Dixie doing? We still pushing or we flattening out? Oh, we dropped back a bit.
Yeah, we dropped back a bit.
Dropped back a lot. Oh man. So this is when it was pushing and then it tanked. So that should be good for gold. But gold didn't move. Didn't move like that.
Was it yesterday? I think DXY was going up and gold was going up with it.
Yeah, gold is a different beast, so
There you
you
go.
cannot correlate with like a DXY. Maybe
But then
with EURUSD,
then gold
Okay.
dropped in the end.
Did anyone actually take that sell then?
Thought about it, but I'm sitting on my hands.
Yeah.
dangerous took entry before the NYSE.
Well, it's kind of like news, isn't it, though? If nothing's been
Yeah,
happening, then you got the setup just before the volume.
Yeah, I mean, if price is dropping, it can drop all the way to that is still here, or even here.
Because our idea for longs is from this blue zone down here. It's alright. No FOMO, right? No FOMO.
Yeah.
My terminal's got a little gap up over here.
I'm out.
I think Donwo added some position, that's why price is dropping.
How many lots do you think we need to add collectively to
10,000?
make this move? 10,000, you reckon? Alright, there's NYSE candle.
I don't think we've got that much cash, Hayden.
Nah, no, not with leverage, man. You get a couple pips in the other direction, it's like you're $1 million down. Imagine that. I'll die.
Oh gosh.
You'd want to have negative balance protection for that.
Is there
Just
such
become
a
the
thing?
broker, then you don't have to worry about that. Just become the broker. Yeah, 500 million.
Mm. So got a little doji
that-
here. So I think that was good for this area. But hang
Did
out
he
for these
posted
buys.
another episode? The CoffeeZilla?
Has he?
Right. No, I haven't seen.
I checked yesterday. He hadn't. Is it meant to be this week or next week?
Maybe. I don't know. Not yet. NYS is still no movement.
The Wickfield continuing.
It's a little sell, little push. Pulling back a little bit now. Still stuck in this 30-minute doji. Did he actually add position?
No.
I find the biggest thing is people add positions to losing trades too quickly, but not to winning positions. No, I find it difficult to add to a winning position. Unless the setup's there, but like trying to add breakout, like I find taking breakouts difficult anyway, and then adding positions is more like breakout trading, but just like continuation breakouts. So that is looking like a little beautiful candle at the moment.
Yeah, that it's forming HCS.
It is. Wasn't really much of a. Oh, there was a doji. I wasn't anticipating
Nice.
it to do. I don't want to trade back in the zone again. I think it could push up and then pull down and then go up again. Kind of like what it did yesterday. All those trendline liquidity this sweep as well. Canadian news in 27 minutes.
Canadian news doesn't do much though.
I think it's just that not for gold necessarily, but interest rates around the world. Like if they hiked, I think it's going to have a negative effect.
Yeah.
It would actually close, like it can have an indirect effect as well, because the way US dollar is in demand, and because they've had the most aggressive rate hiking cycle, now that means if they've been hiking their rates the strongest and the quickest, then what that has led to is a differential in the interest rates. So that's led to more of a demand for US dollar, because it's basically what it's doing is if this is the cycle. So during low interest rates, you have what will happen is interest rates will go down. That'll lead to money pushing into the supply. That will lead to inflation increasing, and then once they would need to bring money back in to the economy, interest like that. Also, like once they're pushing money out, the lower interest rates, pushing it to vendors, and then they're also buying like assets with that. Then that's pushing money into the economy. Inflation goes higher. Then to get money back into the economy, it's got to be reversed. They've got to stop buying assets, stop quantitative easing. They've got to stop asset purchasing program, and they're going to increase interest rates. That's going to bring money out of supply, and that's meant to have a negative effect on inflation to bring it down. So money coming out of the system is going to lead to lower supply. So if US interest rates are at the highest, and they've got the greatest interest rate differential to them and everyone else, that's going to lead to most demand being in the US dollar. Now, if they are indicating that they're going to pause at the next meeting, but all these other countries around the world are catching up, that's as in they're still hiking a bit more. ECB said they're going to hike. Australia hiked. Canada, they haven't hiked all year, but imagine if they did a surprise hike, that means that the demand, even though there's still high demand for US dollar, that demand is actually less, because there's less of a difference between supply and demand. That could then have a negative effect on US dollar, which would be a bullish effect for gold. Like indirectly, it can still have that.
Yeah. I see your point. Yeah. It just keeps pushing.
Pisses me off when it does this.
That's okay. No, I'm not gonna do anything right now. It's just too dangerous. Akshay is in buy already?
No. I haven't got anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was about to take 59.14 entry, but hesitated, and price moved like 7-8 pips after. So I'm like, no, now I have to wait.
I was thinking as I was talking when I was watching this one. No bottom wicks, and then this one closed bullish, that we could do wick fill, at least wick fill, and then start pushing up. But it's just when I factor in spread and the time, my delay, just physical delay of pushing the button and setting things up, entry will probably be like here, and then we've pushed up 11 pips. It's not
my entry was thinking about taking it here.
Yeah.
Right here. Yeah. But then there was not much of a range here, so I decided not to do anything.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Clears.
But taking entry at the NYSE open really dangerous. Price swept
that's
more
another
than
thing.
against.
Correct. Timing matters too. It's not only one thing. I normally don't take entry at very first 5 minutes of NYSE.
Yeah. There's always a better move coming.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Will come some.
Is this imbalance on your broker?
It is on mine, yes.
Tiny little nipple on top of it.
No, I don't have anything. It's imbalance. My chart is pretty much replica of FXCM, so yeah. 64.78.
Last bullish
Yeah,
candle.
see, I
before the push.
exactly. See, look at that. That's what I didn't like. That's why good I didn't enter anything. Wow.
That was your target there, wasn't it, Eddie?
Yeah. Oh, Eddie.
Yeah, I would have
think-
hit it. 62. 62 was my target.
But it was taken out though, right?
Yeah, market
Yeah,
maker
I
already
got,
know that.
I got taken out.
Yeah.
Market maker saw his stop loss. That's why he came back all the way to the downside.
You know, I got taken out just above break, just a fraction in profit in my runner, so I should have entered because the 30 was a beautiful continuation.
Yeah, but the momentum was dying. If you see, the last 30-minute candle was just like doji candles. It's not like a strong momentum pushing to the upside.
Yeah, but you see, like I still like that setup because it formed support at the bottom, and then that other candle, the previous candle, retested support, pushed up, and then this one came back down, just retested again, and it continued. Once you break the body, that to me, that's an entry to continue.
What I
And that,
Yeah, and you
you
would have had New York for momentum.
Yeah. See that would have given, that was, I measured it just before, that was another 30 pips up. That drove 30 pips.
What I see a lot is that when you get these candles with no, like, nice candle with a wick, that push down, and then you get a no wick candle, often like people will trail stops behind these candles. The ones with no wicks often will get taken out. So this could just be a retest. If this starts pushing back down, this could just be a little bit of a pause, break this low, fill this wick, push down into the nice little supply area, demand area rather, and then we can look for just to continue this range. But price was pushing down but hasn't quite hit the lows yet, and this is just takes everyone out, pushes back up, pushes back down, pushes up into here. So if you're trading, like being reactionary traders by what's been happening, you're kind of just getting taken out here, like unless you're just getting in and out, like taking little jabs at the market.
So how would the Canadian news affect gold negatively?
Negatively?
If it came out positive, like how?
No, I don't think it's not gonna have much of an effect on gold.
Much of an effect.
But it could have a bullish effect on gold if they hiked.
If they hiked, okay, yeah.
But there's also there's only so much money in the market right now. So if gold is not moving because of supply demand, right? If gold is not moving because of supply demand on actual gold, then what is actually moving? Is it people buying and selling US dollar? So then, because the whole market is interconnected, if Canada has something that affects the supply of the Canadian dollar, then it is going to have a ripple effect through other currencies because of just where money's moving. Money's going to move to the asset that they feel has got the best growth for the day. So you could have like inflows into Canadian dollar and outflows from other, like if we had outflows from US dollar into Canadian because Canada raises the interest rates, then that's going to lead to money outflowing from US dollar, and that will have a bullish effect on gold. That makes sense. So because it's like everything's like in a triangle. Same as like when you can't quite understand why is everything should seem like gold is pumping because US dollar is weakening based on maybe some interest rates or central bank decisions, and you'd think that because US dollar is weakening, why isn't gold pumping? And you'd look at like indexes, and maybe the US indices, the equities are flying because money's coming out of gold into equities because that's where the smart money is moving to.
Yeah.
So it's it shouldn't have a direct effect, but it should have an indirect effect. But we're not really quite sure all the connections, because it also matters whereabouts, like maybe US dollar's already dropped a lot. So then is it going to continue dropping? Like maybe there's not many short sellers shorting gold or US dollar when this comes out. So you'd think it should have like a negative effect on it, but no one's really shorting it anyway. So it's already bottomed out. Can be a little bit weird, right? To wrap your head around it.
I heard it. Yeah, I'm still getting there.
That's
I
why
heard you talk about it before, and
that's just
deer
from
in
a supply.
headlights.
That's just a supply demand sort of thing. We're just,
because if it comes back down into the zone where you're looking, like that's potential 4-hour flip. So I was just thinking if the news would give it any momentum, like any ripple effect to push it.
you'll find manipulation happens around news, even if it's nothing to do with the news. It just disguises. It's just a disguise for when manipulation can happen. And it's like, what's the theme of the day? Like, where is the biggest news of the day? Because that's when the most volatility is going to happen for anything. And right now it's Canadian dollar, so everything's sort of paused to wait for this news, because it could have an impact. But when it does have an impact, you know, they get inside knowledge, they get news a little bit quicker than us. Or the liquidity providers can get word of where price is going to go. They can see the order flow of what's coming in. So what they can do is they can manipulate the price, and it looks like there's a huge move on the candle. Like it will just shoot one direction. It's not really someone buying it. That could just be the liquidity providers saying, hey, we think this is of value now, so people are going to want it, so let's push price up.
Yeah.
Right? And if no one actually buys it, you'll see these quick rejections. So just got to wait and see. And that's why find the area where you think is the most probable chance of reactions happening. And that's either going to be really sensitive levels. And in the middle, this is just FOMO, getting impatient, price being slow. It's very good at luring people into trades. Like I wish I was in this, but really in reality, we're trying to get a 50 pip move. And price has, if you got the best position possible from here, when it came down with that New York Stock Exchange open, we've got a 40 pip move. Only 40 pips. But it's risky taking at that stage. You know, we know we get good volume at the 10 a.m. candle should give us a 100 pip move. And
our new stop loss is 90 pips.
So he's tightening it slowly.
Wasn't it 70? And now he's moved it.
Oh, he's increased it.
Stop loss is here. Now its stop loss is here.
Wait, where was his entry?
His entry. Where can you find his entry? Here.
He entered here.
Yeah.
Yeah, based upon a 30-minute break below.
I hope it doesn't get stopped out. I hope it just flies to his entry for us. So we're nearly at Goblin's midnight open. We are there.
Oh, man,
that's your monthly level there, isn't it, Hayden?
Yeah, that's 63.
Yeah.
That's sort of equal 4-hour highs are looking too good to be true. I hope it sweeps some highs. Yeah. Well, I hope it does too. But with us.
Well, isn't that a HCS setup on the 4-hour there up the top?
Yeah, you've got one underneath as well. Oh, not this feed. Or we did on the No, it was a 3 hour, wasn't it? 3 hours had one from both directions.
Yeah, on the forest.com.
Yeah, from.
Look at that correction, man. Printing side by side.
Yeah. So I was thinking, like, we're just gonna play the range today, but it didn't even come down to the bottom of the range. Did that just take his stop loss then?
No. Stop loss is above that 1966 area.
Oh, okay. What happens when it gets to above the 66 area?
He's got it just about, just like 67 pretty much. Couple of pipettes under 67.
And then when it gets here, where does it go to?
No, he going to close then.
Have you seen the way some people hedge? Like when they get to their stop loss, instead of having a buy there, instead of having another sell, instead of having a stop loss, they'll actually take a buy.
I don't know how people do that. I mean,
It can be.
I can do.
It can be effective.
I cannot play both. It can be, yeah, but I can't play both ways.
No,
Truly speaking.
me neither. I think there's a guy that spoke about it. I'm not sure if he's one of those Miami guys. Anton Creel.
Mm-hmm.
I think that was his name. You guys heard of him?
No idea, man. That imbalance is almost taken, just not taken yet.
Mm-hmm.
Hard price action.
Yeah, it's not easy today.
Yeah. I missed my entry. That was a beautiful move actually. It already hit 50 pip. If I would have entered 59.14, that was my entry. So that's okay.
Yeah, when it's in a range, it's depressing.
Mm-hmm.
How's Cohen doing? Did anyone watch him to see? He would have taken something like this.
Maybe Muhammad.
My god, look at this candle.
Just keeps on
I
going.
know.
This 30-minute candle. Jesus. That's my Asian 50 there. Oh, that is Asian 50 it's taken.
Yep.
Yeah, that 59 around the 59.10 would have been a nice, beautiful entry. Breaking the 30 again, continue. That's 61 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone is looking out for 68.49 area rejection area, or you're just anticipating to push up now?
No, I've got this zone across here. This blue one is in the same zone, same area.
Mm-hmm.
I got my eye on that one.
There's a power imbalance there, just above.
Is Goggins still here?
Yeah, mate, he's still there.
Still there? I'm sure he's in a buy. You in a buy, Goggins?
Oh,
Holy 67. Okay, that took him out. Holy shit. Oh,
damn,
fuck.
bloody hell. If only this daily candle dipped a little lower.
Wow.
Holy.
Wow.
Oh my.
Hold on, news hasn't hit yet.
Nah, to the moon.
Might as well.
Now finally
Holy
out of
moly.
that consolidation.
Yes.
That's the
Now I need some retracement to
1
enter
hour
any.
imbalance.
We're in the clean candle section now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
Actually, that took the 4-hour fair value gap on the 4-hour.
I just did the 1 hour fair value gap. Yep.
So
Yeah.
this is okay. Let's look. Let's do some deep dive into here. So we've got some structure as well. So let's move this box. This one's been obliterated. Held for a while. Now it's done. It's done its job.
Oof.
In here.
Wow.
So this is a 60 pip area. If we can get something to close inside of it, then we can, once it closes inside, pullbacks to fill the job. 1 hour is just a wick to fill this wick. Then they can target this zone ahead. This is part of the clean candles on that higher time frame. So 4 hours. Oh no, not quite. Maybe on Forex.com.
Yeah, now I think we can wait for that 4-hour close. Maybe that pullback can give us some entry now.
We've got 5
we
minutes.
have
So we've got this Canadian news too.
I was
I
gonna
don't think
say,
that
yeah.
it's going to affect that much for the gold.
Fast move is the false move.
Mm.
Jesus, man, I can't, like, that just accelerated. Hey.
Wow.
Jesus, still going.
So it was US Federal Reserve to hold rates in June, say the majority of economists. Fed to hike rates at least once more. At least once more. It's probably the word that got it going.
This is my rejection area now. Let's see. 69.85.
Took out the key level 70.
70. Yeah, 70. Yeah. You're taking buys too late, man. There's so much better opportunity when I had a 59.14. That was my buy.
Yeah, that's 100 pips
100
from
pip.
there. Gosh.
Yeah, I know. Shit. That's okay.
Oh. Did you, Eddie? Did you hear the
Yo.
lost? Did you hear what Donvo lost?
About 27, 28 grand, I'd imagine.
No,
Well,
31,
If
31.
I'm right, and I might be wrong, I thought he just said negative 92.
Yeah, 92 pips loss.
92 pips.
How many lots though?
Yeah,
30.
30. He always goes 30, so that's like 20,
Yeah, but
28
you
grand.
only have one position.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
he lose like a 31 grand.
I mean, that's like, what, 0.5%
Mm-hmm.
for him?
No, it's a little bit
Or
more.
was it
He's got a
5%?
It's 27,000. So
He's got, what's
that's
he got
only
in
his
there?
11th loss this
No,
year.
no, he got some slippage, I think there.
700k account.
700k. Oh, okay. So it's like, yeah, like 4%. 3-4%.
Mm.
I was just looking on his stats. That was his 11th loss for the year, and I think he's got a 71% win rate.
Yeah,
So-
but he's closing around 10 pips, 20 pips. And he's losing like 90 pips, 80 pips.
Yeah.
Maybe he's
He leaves
profitable.
a runner though, so I don't know how many lots he leaves running.
I
He
mean,
doesn't close at full.
No, he usually what he do, like if the price move like 20 pips, he move his stop loss to 10 pips in profit.
30,000 he lost.
Yeah, he moves to break even or in profit, but
Yeah.
leaves a runner.
It's just for him, this strategy must be profitable, but for new people, it's really bad because they sometimes use a bigger lot size. Or
Yeah.
they don't understand the
Yeah.
risk management.
I think Oh, sorry, Gilbert. You're on Anton. Oh, you are? Okay, you just started. Right. I think ITPM for longer holdings with more risk. What's ITPM?
Yeah. So Dono usually trade outside of the stream also, and he use he over risk when he is not streaming.
Oh, this is Don.
Yeah.
ITPM is Anton Creel, Institute of Trade and Portfolio Management. Gotcha. That's what it means.
There was some news just around 11:30 my time. So just on New York Stock Exchange about the Fed's hiking one more time.
Yeah, that's not new news though. I'm wondering what's happening here. Like, we've got news coming in 4 seconds.
Ending.
I've just got buy to sell. Look at here, go look.
Shoot,
Dollar
which
yen.
one is it?
Pumped.
There we go.
Oh, they rose it.
Yeah, they raised the rate by 0.25%.
Yeah. So that's I think that's what they knew. This is inside knowledge to bring that up, because that would lead to a decrease. And while I was talking about the closing of the interest rate differential will lead to USD ultimately across the world having less demand.
Now,
So
we
that's
can
a
look for the
positive.
entry.
That could flow on a positive effect, and that's why it went up.
Well, it's US dollar weakening.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Probably Dixie was dropping a bit then. In that same period of time, Dixie was starting to drop, but this is news. This is these motherfuckers, these guys that have that knowledge. They know, you know. We don't have access to that kind of information.
So
Cool.
this build up, I was joking with Eddie before. We should have buy stop, sell stop. We should have put that buy stop in, just with like 0.05 of a lot or something, just for shits and giggles.
That's pretty
Full
big,
margin.
huh? Pretty big news.
Full margin.
So the first time they hiked in 5 months now.
Pound yen's coming into a 4-hour order block.
Mm.
So what did CAD Swiss do? Oh,
Was CAD JPY? Yeah, missed it.
wish I held my CAD yen long.
Yeah.
Now I think we can wait for the pullback, and then we can look for the entry for the buys.
Still running.
Yeah, far out. I closed it thinking that'll do me. That'll do me here.
5 pips.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Hey, Garrett, how are you, mate?
How's it going, Aiden? Akshay is talking as well. TJ, how are you guys?
Yeah, the whole crew's here.
Everyone is in profit now, isn't it?
No, we're just watched it go without us. You took it?
Everyone has got wet hand, isn't it? I took a buy from the NYSE high, and I'm still holding.
Oh, when it broke?
Yeah.
Oh, good one. That was where TJ was looking to buy.
TJ's pumping.
TJ was pretty good. It was just the first 5 minutes just pulled back heavily, but still I hold it, and that was a really nice move. Double entry today.
Oh, double entry.
Yeah, pretty good one, man.
Yeah, man.
100 pip.
Nice.
I think we are retesting area zone, and then we're gonna be flying maybe over maybe above 70. I will probably think about adding more.
Yeah, just waiting for the pullback. This is also new 4-hour open for Forex.com. So waiting for the pullback now.
Yeah, absolutely agree. But that was a pretty good day anyway.
We are also looking for buys. It's just we did not get the entry we the wanted. Yeah, this is the garage from the KTF.
Yeah, road. As a road. Yeah.
Were you
KTF.
Were you with Kerwin earlier?
You know, I was just popping Curry all the time. I'm watching from my phone.
Mm-hmm. How was it? Did he get?
They were looking for sell initially. I think they were looking for sell.
Yeah.
But I think he took a buy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It was still a nice range today. I mean, buy was good to buy from the bottom today.
Yeah, range play.
Yeah.
Catch
play.
Ivan.
But I always look for NYC areas, see what's happening.
Guys, I closed myself from 1969.40. Just
you jumped in.
Quick scalp. Yeah, that's why I wasn't saying anything because I wanted to focus.
Yeah,
just that move, man. It pisses me off. It just pisses me off so fucking much.
This one down here. Yeah.
Perfect. Done. 2 minutes. Took fucking 2 minutes to make my money. It's gonna drop. I closed everything because I don't want to hold. It's so much upward move and that against it. So I don't want it to hold. Okay, I'm done.
Because hear the frustration.
Yeah. No, that was such a freaking perfect entry. 59.14. I just cannot let that go from my head, you know. But that's okay. This was a very risky one, but I made it work.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Holy shit, look at that. 62 is coming. Next is 62.
Back, heavily pull back. Yeah, I think buy is coming again. Like
just
earlier.
Yeah, just waiting for the pullback. Not
pullback. Yeah. I'm good at managing risk with this high risk trades, right? So that's the reason I took it, and that's what I like quick moves and close it. Then
move is good.
There you go. That was. Yeah, breaking this rate hike is gonna create so much bankruptcies now in Canada, man. People were struggling as is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not a good sign for the economy here. Give me a sec. I just have to silence that.
Mm-hmm. Is that the market makers and TJ? What are they saying? Full margin?
Yeah. We've seen some suspicious activity on your terminal.
Exactly.
That was imbalance 66. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm done. I don't want to touch it. Don't want to touch it. Just forget about it now. So you guys are still looking for buys?
Well, missed the buys. So
like I said before, 69.85 was my sell area, remember?
Yeah.
Before even price hit that point, I said I would look for that, and that's exactly what I executed based on.
How did you get in? Did you take a break of that, like when it was doji's break the lows?
Let me show you. Okay, I'll put that on. What do you call? Give me a sec, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Sure. So it's not the best risk to reward trade. Don't get me wrong. Okay, I have to send it. Oh, I can send that in our group, right?
Yeah, you put it in Zoom.
Discord, and then
or
put
Discord.
it in a Zoom. No,
either
because I'm running from
this
iPad. Thing. I'm running from iPad, so
yeah.
I have to delegate to some other platform. Okay, I'll do it in Discord. Yeah. We all look out for different scenarios, man. That fucking buy iPad. Excuse my language. I'm so fucking frustrated today.
Yeah.
Because
Well, it's been one of those days.
Because I didn't get anything yesterday, so I had to make it up for today. This is my bread and butter. I can't just don't do anything and okay. Yeah. Discord. I could have hold a little bit, but just looking at the bullish momentum, I didn't want it to. Hayden stream. Just gonna go. Where do I put it? Market recap. Just gonna throw it there, okay? And then just gonna copy it over here. Because done. Market recap. Can I copy? Okay. So okay. Now go to chat. Image, select photo.
Oh yeah, breaking the low of that. Yeah, makes sense.
You saw it already, or you want me to paste it somewhere, or it's okay?
No, it's all good, all good.
Oh, cancel. Oh, you saw it. Okay. Oh yeah, you put it up there. Yeah. But
Yeah.
see how
Clean
beautifully
candles
did
up.
that?
Yeah.
That was my sell area, man. I should have held a small position and probably 5% more up. Yeah. And this is my full margin setup. Okay, I'm just gonna. I don't like to say too much about that, but I'm gonna send it to you only. Okay, Hayden. Let's keep it to you. Hayden. Akshay knows. Akshay knows. Akshay knows. He sees them too. That's why, right, Akshay? Isn't that true, bro?
Yeah.
See the fast move, the false move. This is where they got the call. They got the call right here. We're gonna hike. Don't tell anyone. Then
Don't
boom,
tell anyone.
boom. And then the news comes out. People buy because the news is out, and now it's coming down against them.
Yeah, I send you a DM on Telegram.
Oh yeah.
So then you look at it when you have a moment. No
Sure.
rush. Look at that, man.
Yeah,
Look at
corrected
that.
now.
So beautiful. My goodness. So my if I'm holding, my target was 62.63. Asia low. 62.60, 62.63.
Or you can say the double bottom here. The equal lows.
Yeah, you can. I don't look at it this way. That's why I just said what I look at. But yeah, you can say it that way. That's an imbalanced double bottom down there.
Yeah.
So that was the reason I was quiet for those 5 minutes. I took my headphone and everything off. That could be a rejection area too now. Look, holy. But I'm done. I'm not touching anything.
TJ.
Yeah. What's up, man? What's up?
Did you do a full margin today? I can see your voice.
I did. Yes, I did.
Yeah, I haven't traded for a while.
I had to make it up for yesterday. I just said that, man. I had to.
Listen, since I traveled to London for 2 weeks ago, I haven't had a chance to trade or maybe really given really good risk. And today was the only one. I really risked 2% today.
I see. Okay.
It was really good day today. But I didn't have a chance because all the platform, the workstation that I was trading before I left back home. So I couldn't get my head around in London trading.
Yeah.
But that was really nice.
Because I don't like to. These are very this thing plays out for me. Like when I did the bet testing, it plays out around 85-90% of the time the way I took it today.
Yeah.
But if you don't know how to manage these things, it's very risky. That's why I don't call it out. But the best trade was buy from 59.14, low risk trade. That was the one that I missed.
What was your thought process this one? You took it from there. I mean, I took it for NYC high.
I have my levels. I shared those levels in Hayden's Discord.
Did you do it? Now, let me see the Discord.
Yeah. I'm doing it for last 2 days since I'm part of the group now. I share it. That's what I told Hayden. I'll share it.
Is in the where? Where did you throw it? I can't see
Let me check. Where did I throw it? Hold on.
I'm new to the Discord as well, so I'm all over the place.
Oh no, I use Discord, but I'm new to Hayden's group.
Yeah.
Members, general members.
General members.
Oh, general members.
General members. I don't know if at that time if that level was visible or not. Because the price was it's not visible because price wasn't there.
Yeah, you can only see up to 66.
Yeah, price wasn't there, so but it was marked. But I said that before price hit that portion, I said that I might look out for that, So
I can see the general. I can see daily trades.
Oh, one second.
Hayden.
Yeah, got it.
You add me the general member.
Sorry, man. Sorry, Hayden. I didn't want to.
No. As I did it when I do some of these things from the phone, it doesn't save on the computer.
I see. Okay. I can send it to you, man. I mean, I'm okay. I always share with whoever asks for it. I used to share it individually with people too, but since I'm part of all this group, I share it in a group now.
Well, it's the general. I mean, I can't see the other one.
Should be able to see.
Did I?
Yeah, just refresh it. Just close the Discord and open it again.
Did I share it?
So there's two. There's two general and then general members.
Okay, I can do that from tomorrow, man. I don't have a problem.
No, it's fine there. Or either. It's all good.
Yeah.
General members is a bit more cleaner because the general gets.
Yes, that's why. Yeah,
it's just for all sorts of chat.
Yes, that's why I send it down there.
I don't see
but that level is not there, man. I have chart expanded more, so that level is not visible there. But that was my sell area.
Waiting for general members. I can see it. That's your levels, TJ.
Yes.
Okay,
so I normally just trade based on that. Just so simple levels. I mean, I do look at. I started looking at FUs and double bottoms and this and that, but my basic thought process is just based on my levels. So that's coming to that double bottom, Akshay. No, it already took the double bottom, right?
No. Here, this is a double bottom.
Hold on, let me see. Yes, 60 to 11. Yeah, it's coming there.
Yeah.
So that would be my last target, but since a lot of risk was put on plate, I didn't want to leave anything on the table.
Everyone, isn't it?
Yeah. My heart was. Yeah, my heart was beating very fast today.
See if this one can close bullish, taking this doji low.
Yep.
Just wait though. Don't jump into this one. No.
Yeah, waiting. Still waiting.
10 a.m. 10 a.m.
No, it's going to break that.
There you go. Yeah, it's coming down, man. I'm just gonna come down. Wow. Okay. Beautiful.
Catch her up.
Akshay, what are you looking for now, man?
Yeah, just waiting to see any kind of bullish momentum. Usually the after late session moves are usually the less manipulation happen.
Yes, that's correct. So I'm gonna risk 5% of my profit today with you to look for other moves.
Let's see. Still waiting. Maybe 30-minute after 30-minute close, we can get our entry.
Yeah. But I mean, I don't know who is listening here, but to my point, I had said this many times that if you just trust your setup, gives you 10-12% every day, man, without miss. It's possible. I have decent size account, don't get me wrong, okay? But still, if you know and if you can execute, you get it. You can easily make it through.
Trust is the main thing.
Yes. And risk management. If you don't know, manual stop loss never worked for me for so many years. So I don't have a stop loss, but my figures are always on a trigger, right? So that's how I manage it. But that was a beautiful drop.
It's another setup there. But we're not out of the woods yet. Here, rejecting under the 5-minute doji. This one, breaking, and then this one closing. This is the same sort of setup, but it's so much downward pressure.
Yes, so much downward pressure right now. Yeah, I would at least like to see 1 or 2 5-minute bullish close before I can execute on buys now, because it corrected pretty much the entire move. Yeah, it did actually.
Yeah,
fast. It did.
Usually corrects the fast part.
Yes, but this is going beyond that. So
come on, give us something.
You got something in Asian session or not?
I got a little, not Asian session. Oh, my robot did. It got it took Aussie US buys, Aussie yen buys, CAD yen buys.
Yeah.
Aussie.
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask about that. Like, how do you do that? Like those robot stuff. I can have $500 put aside, make it execute that shit.
So what just looking at momentum. So it's I've had it on. I wish I held the Canadian ones. So based on these different EMAs and just looking at overall trend, like where the daily candle closes, like it's a bit of an algorithm. So I like it because it's quite versatile. I find like I don't use it as much as something that my friend and I built from like years ago, and then just been perfecting it, sort of just making it a bit more as a hobby. But now it's like I use it quite a bit now, but during like London Open and New York Open, I've always been really focused on the manual trading. But overnight, what I'll have is based on like set of rules, daily candle closing in proximity to the 50 EMA to tell me like where's the overall momentum, up or down. Then using like a bit of just little trend analysis on the 4-hour chart, and then on the 30-minute chart, looking at how the New York session closed, and if all the factors are lining up, just looking to take pullback longs just to continue for the Asian session to follow the New York momentum. And then the EMAs that it uses is just me eyeballing where I think pullbacks can go to. Not that I'm actually using EMAs. I don't really use EMAs in anything. It's just easy for the robot to code and take a trade from an EMA because it's objective. And then the EMAs, we know that EMAs can be like a dynamic level of support resistance because so many people simply use them. So it was on the 30-minute chart executed, and for Aussie yen, it was on the give it a wide stop loss. I'm gonna have to put a whole bunch more EMAs on, but Aussie yen was. Let me just copy this black one across. Oh, I can just print it up, actually.
That's like an EA you have.
Yeah, it's just an EA
or something like that, right? That's it.
Yeah. Okay. So we're testing it. That's what I was doing just before the stream. Put a whole bunch of things on just to make sure some of the other little features. So this one looks like it's already taken the cells. So I took a cells off the. Why is it moving so slow? See, my mouse is like super slow. There we go. That's better. Gosh.
Look at that. Look at gold, man. Sorry. My God.
So I took cells off of. Just tested it for the different sessions. So it took sells off the 100 EMA. So you can see it was looking for sells off the 100. Took it. That was where those little arrows. That's where it took the entries. That's the take profit. Those little blue lines here. So that was just pushed up and down.
Oh, okay.
Then the trades from New Zealand CADs still in this one. Took this one from the 40. I was looking at taking it from the 200. That would have been nice.
Guys, look at the gold 50 minutes. And do not buy. Get into the zone.
Yeah, waiting for the bullish momentum.
But you see, it's like the move that went up was a 15 minutes ATS. The last one was an FU, and it's pulling back to the zone. Don't you think?
Yeah, but at least we have to wait for the manipulation happen. We cannot just grab that falling knife. Try to grab that. We have to wait for the manipulation, because if you see, whenever price doing a manipulation, price just breaking that manipulation easily.
You know what I reckon it's going to do? It could retest this whole area, come down here, and then go retest the high.
Then
like
go
yesterday.
up. Yes. Like yesterday. Daily low. It's gonna reject the daily low, and probably before that 9 a.m. 5 a.m. It
should not be breaking the previous 4-hour low. It should just can come back into, but not breaking that low.
Not breaking. Okay, that's what you're looking for. Okay, makes sense. My brain is gonna be clouded now because I'm not looking at buys anymore. So, but just the key is to look at your setup and execute your setup. There are so many ways to trade. No, there is no right or wrong thing. That's the way I see it. Perfect. We'll talk some other time about that EA, Hayden. It's okay. I saw some videos you posted. I'm going to go through them if I get some time today, and we'll talk about that as well. It's good to know those kind of stuff, man. So at some point of time, they'll just pay the bills, right?
Yeah, the main thing is that it doesn't take mental capital.
Yes, that's correct.
And manually trading takes up that mental bandwidth. So it's something I'll just set and forget.
Yes, that's correct, man. Yeah, I hear you.
Majority of the time, the way I've been managing it at the moment is like I just close everything when I wake up. It's either going to be break even or move things to break even, let it go. And it doesn't take many losses, but the majority of the time at the moment, the way I'm handling it, because I don't want it to like distract me during the day, it's meaning I'm getting more misses or break evens than I'd like. So out of the last couple of weeks, it was I haven't calculated the last couple of weeks, but it was something like 19 trades, ideas, 8 won. Sorry, 19 misses, 8 winners, 1 loss, 2 partial losses. So the percentage is good if you take out the missed trades.
Yeah.
But I know that like if I just let it go throughout the rest of the London session, majority of them were winners, full winners. So it could have been like easily 11-12%, risking half to 1% up for the last 3-4 weeks. It's not bad for like something that's done on the side and takes me like 10 minutes to do or 20 minutes to do at night time, and I just let it go.
Why not? Yeah, why not? That's true.
We don't have one for access strategy.
No, I think it's too complicated to get a robot to do that. Too many variables.
I think this is gonna break daily low, man. The way it's falling, our 60 is again trouble area. Yes.
Bloody hell, I wish I was grabbed that sell. Wish I grabbed that buy. Wish I grabbed that sell. Instead of doing nothing.
So the second entry for me was 64.97. That could be my second entry if I'm still wanted to trade.
64.97.
Yeah, 64.97. Yeah, I was inside. I never took any. It's just single trade for me today. That's all I did.
Yeah, you're selling back and forth now.
What's annoying
That's the only thing.
is that 1 hour candle we know gives us around 100 pips.
Yes.
And that has already given us now
Daily low. If this
100
thing
pips.
goes that way, we're gonna break in a daily low, and I think whoever wanna risk that one, maybe there's no volume to break the daily low. Looks like we're gonna go downtown. Clean traffic on the left.
Yeah, there is, yeah.
There is, yes.
You know what? It's a temptation here. I'm gonna have to call it a day. I don't want to do that shit. I would have taken that earlier if we break that NYSE low. Because at the moment where it is NYSE low, is it? We're breaking that NYSE low.
NYSE low was
5 minute NYSE low?
1958.49.
Yeah, if we break that low, we're gonna be maybe going a real downturn. And also that's
how many times price going to do this thing, like a bullish bearish on the daily candle?
Yeah.
How many times we change our bias?
Like our pants every day.
Yes. That's what happened when you're in a range, massive range.
Yeah.
So bing bong, sell, buy, sell high, buy low.
Yeah, I haven't had a clean bias the last couple of days.
Yeah, yes, exactly. We've been in a fucking range for the last few days.
Yeah.
But this was a beautiful move, like both ways, right? Up and down. Corrected everything. My God. Then closes under 60, so that.
I think 60 is a strong area. We might see the real buy actually was looking for.
Yeah. It could still happen.
In this area, 60, 58 or somewhere like that, you can get a reaction and then.
Is Don still streaming right now?
No, done.
Yeah, I was gonna say pretty strong for him to be streaming after that, because this here would piss me off if I took a 30k loss.
Don?
$10 FX.
Keep on dropping off.
So Garrett is in sells now.
Nah.
Look at all the manipulations to the
Yeah,
downside.
I took a really good buy, and I'll look for another buy for the reaction. But
Okay.
I think I am gonna. This kind of temptation is gonna.
But what I learned is, I mean, that's before. I think I said this yesterday too. That back in the days, I would be looking out for buys there, where I sold. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
To get only to get burned. So what I did is I just switched my bias. If I'm looking for buy, sell it. I'm looking for sell, buy. That thing. So
Or other way around. Come on, man.
yeah.
That's good.
No, I said this yesterday too. Remember, Hayden? Like, old me would do the opposite of what I'm gonna do. So
that's what all we need to do is find someone that loses all the time and then use them as a signal service.
just do up. Yes.
Hey,
But-
what are you thinking? Why? Okay.
Yeah, but in this case, that was myself anyway, so I didn't have to go look for somebody.
I see we are breaking the FU candle of London NYSE.
Oh, this
Really?
is a massive drop, man. Wow.
You know what?
Look at that 4-hour candle. My God.
Oh my goodness. The reaction of that FU candle of NYSE low. It's gonna be really good. Look at that.
Perfect. 3-hour is gonna create strong FU if it closes this way.
Bloody hell, man. Look at this shit, man.
2 hours is still in play.
Massively, 2 hours massively was rejected from the up.
Yeah.
So like it.
But the problem I see is it hasn't broken previous 1 hour low yet. That's
It's got
the
27
issue.
minutes. It's got 27 minutes. The machine might be there.
Yeah, that's true. Or it could just reverse completely. That could happen too.
But look at the 1 hour, completely fake out.
Yeah.
Complete fake out, and then what
Okay,
happened?
so that's okay. I took a small buy.
Or NYC low?
It was the 5 minute from the New York
Yeah,
SE.
same here. I took a buy.
There you
based
go.
upon the
That's the area. I was thinking that's the area for reaction.
small buy, but I'm going to, if the 5 minute is closing bullish one, then I can add position. I'm just
Okay.
waiting to see.
Oh,
how
I'm
that
out. I'm out. I'm out. Took me out at break even. No, I'm not holding. I'm not losing a penny.
I'm waiting for a doji here, and then the candle breaking the low and then closing bullish.
Yeah, it could still do it, but
I think this is a little early here.
yes, don't want to rush it. What I see normally is, the buy that I miss in the morning, 59.14 area. If it comes back to that point and it doesn't break that, it will do the same thing that it did before. It will give me at least 50-60 pips towards the upside again. That's what I'm seeing over and over and over, right? So that's the reason I took it, but it was premature. I'm not gonna lie.
It's too early. I think the buy is coming up anytime now. Might be the new hour 11 a.m.
Yeah. How much commission you guys pay for gold?
None on Pepperstone.
None. Yeah, that's same with me too. Nothing on Pacific.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't pay anything. No commission.
What about spread?
My spread's a little high.
My spread
1.9.
My spread right now is less than a pip.
Really? Holy cow, that's awesome.
Yeah, less than a pip.
Wow.
So I see 5, 7, 9, 10. So it's 1 pip right now.
Mine's
1.2 pip.
1.4, 1.9.
What about the
Oh,
Broker is that?
Went below pip. Pacific Union.
Here we go.
There you
Which
go.
broker is that? Broker?
Pacific Union.
What about the withdrawal?
They're good, man. I'm using them for 2 years now.
And the commission on one lot?
No commission on gold.
I wouldn't say, because I think that is what I negotiated with them. Otherwise, $7 per round trip.
Oh, okay. Because I say Coleman pays commission. These are Pacific Union.
Yeah. There you go. Breaking its own low.
Yeah, I already closed because the double bottom from there, so that's why I closed my position.
I closed right at break even, right then. So.
And then there's also another, this 1 minute FU one as well. It's gonna take the liquidity down and then it's gonna fly. You go in a London low. And even that's a daily
Like yesterday.
Oh,
Oh,
look at that. Holy, yeah, it's not stopping, man. That's a massive pressure towards downside.
At least we're inside of this area now.
So for
the low there, or we are still did not got that low.
It took out this
low.
one.
It took out it. It took the 5 low. No, it's still there. I hadn't taken the low out yet on FXCM, but I think on my actual broker, it took the low.
Of the 4 hour.
Of the previous 4 hour, yes.
So
it's just
I
right
think it
there.
has.
Right there. It's just right there. No, hasn't taken the low.
Equal
it's
low.
Exactly the same.
It's the
equal
same.
low. Yeah, weighted equal low. Yeah, 57.06. That's the exact number I have.
But that's the low I was waiting for to price to taken out before looking for buys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's
I
Let's
know,
wait for
I
the
know.
buys here now. Doing overtime now. This is bullshit.
I know. I see your frustration, man. That was me yesterday until like 9:45 a.m., 10 a.m., and then I got my move. Yeah.
High is coming, but not yet.
Yeah, this could be the first sign.
Yeah.
We're in
That's
the
a London-
zone now.
That's a London low, isn't it?
No, London low's deeper. Oh, sorry. No, yeah, London low's deeper.
No, London low is a daily low. 50.
Yeah, 54.
485. Yeah, 54.85.
But that area is a 4-hour London low.
Yeah, this blue section is.
Yeah, that's the 4 hours starting 6 a.m. GMT.
Oh, okay.
That's the, that's
yeah,
the,
yeah,
that's the
more or
one we
less.
use. Yeah, that's
More
the
or
one.
less, okay.
That's the one Karen uses London low.
Yeah, that 4 hour candle. Yeah.
That's 4 hour kind of low. Yeah. But that looks like the sign of bullish is just start stimulating.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wait for see what this candle does. If it breaks this low, and then if it closes bullish. But not gonna take it. Not gonna take it impulsively.
No, she probably kill more people.
It's like a pause, right? It doesn't know which direction to go. That's what it seems like it now.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh la la. This is really crazy.
There's the equal lows as well.
Oh man, look at that 1
Alright,
minute again.
let's see what it does.
Oh,
11 seconds.
watching for 1 minute, Aiden.
Yeah. 3 minute closes the doji. Just wait now.
Like that.
So now, like, potentially this, if we start seeing rejection underneath the doji low, it's got a bit more to go now.
That's 3 minutes on, isn't it?
3 minutes top left, yeah.
You want that one to be taken out.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes, all about to take that low again now. Let's see, 20 seconds.
Come on.
Yeah, I took the low now.
Mm-hmm. So just wait for it now to see if it gets some rejections from
reaction. Yeah, there you go. Look at that, 1 minute again, right? Took the low and has to close proper for me to. No, I'm not taking anything.
I
No.
want that one to come back to the range.
Yeah, gotta wait for some bullish pressure here.
This is the difficult period. Sometimes you don't know when the sell ended.
Yeah.
And, you know,
Yeah.
it's very difficult this time to calculate the.
This is when I get lost on one particular time frame, so I'm not opening it up because I made the mistake yesterday where I had the 1 minute chart open too long, and then I didn't see how the 15-minute candle had closed, and then 15-minute candle closed and it gave like a really strong indication, and I missed it because I was distracted. Oh, I was just looking at the wrong area.
Yeah, I think it's good to have all the time frame like the way you're watching now.
Yeah, but even then you go like 15, then there's the 30.
Yeah.
But this blue zone's a decent one.
The more time frame you have, the more you feel like you're on a cockpit, flight.
Yeah, that's right.
And you get crazy. Oh, what is this? The Deutsche one? It's a 1 minute. On the right one, is it 5 or?
Bottom right is 1.
That's a Deutsche one.
Top right is 5 minutes.
Alright, still more rooms to do.
Yeah.
What really helps me is my MT5 because I see major time frames and how the candles are forming in real time. So that's all I look at even for execution part.
Mm-hmm. Damn, man, from the highs, 130 pip drop.
Yes.
Massive downtrend.
So if I am in it, my entry is 69, 27, 69, 14. Multiple entries around 69 area, right? From that point, man, I closed everything at 63, 39. My God, even after that, it got so much. 5% runner would give so much.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not good at holding anything, that's the problem.
All right, to the doji, little rejection,
yes,
breaking the high.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Actually, it's killing them, isn't it?
Probably it is. Yeah.
Oh, look at that reaction for 4 hour low.
Mm-hmm.
Wait for that 1 minute. It's really strong bullish candle. Ooh la la.
But if I'm looking for any buys, I want to close above 58. Otherwise, I won't take it. That's the resistance area for me again. Go back to my original chart. Yeah, 58, 98, 92. I need to close above 58, 92.
Look at that 5 minutes.
Yeah, coming from this candle.
Yep.
All right, so I'm still waiting for just like every time. At the moment, it's pushing down, making lower lows. So I'm still holding, still waiting.
You're in buys or you're?
No, I'm not. Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Okay.
You're looking for buy.
They couldn't execute on those sells, right? They were too aggressive, or you didn't see your setup.
It takes me a while to flip my bias.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, I'm the same way, man.
That's a good one, man. It's not good. It's not easy. That teaches you to blow your account.
Mm.
Oh, I think this area is respecting.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
Or something.
London 4-hour low. London 4-hour low. I think it's still got more drop to the point of 55.
It's got to get out of this area because these are the rejection wicks from here. So price could be pushing underneath it, and they could be closing here.
That 1 5 minute is not enough. The thing is, she's gonna push down to the 56, 55 area.
Did anyone take this one? After such a big drop, for it to continue down further, there's more room to the upside from here.
Side, yes, it has to go a little bit up to move down further if there is a downside move.
So this
only 10 pip? Is it only 10 pip?
Yeah, pretty much. With spread, probably looking at 10-15. I didn't take it. It's a little bit too risky for. I'd rather have a bit of a cleaner entry.
Would be very good. There's no bottom wick as well. There was a bullish pressure, rejection from the bottom, the zone, but that's short leaf anyway. You know, I tended to stay away from that kind of short area. Better to keep something in range for 20 pip minimum. We will probably reject that area where you have your curves, and then coming back again.
Yeah.
Maybe she's gonna fly for 11 a.m.
If it pulls back and gives us a little rejection, like a little doji from here, breaking the high, I'll get in.
Me too.
Because that would be an entry potentially where.
Maybe 15 minutes close.
That might have been a scale in entry, if this was a prime entry, or this is a prime entry. Scale in entry would be breaking these wicks, coming back, forming a rejection, and then breaking the highs. Then maybe I'll just have to go with a late entry.
Yeah, if you go look into the 5 minute, you will see the HCS from the left side.
From here. Alright, let's see if we can get like a little doji, little rejection, a little bullish candle.
That's double bottom, isn't it? We're looking at 5 minutes on the left.
5 minute looking at
that's not a double bottom.
These ones.
Those already took that candle already took the previous low, so that's a FU candle there.
You want that low to be respected, actually.
Yeah, price should have to respect that thing because this is a HCS zone, you can say. So price should respect that thing.
Okay, second entry, second move, we will take it.
Trying to see it, so it's not just making these continuous retests of this low, but we took it's annoying because I've retested that bullish candle. Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a deeper pullback than I wanted.
I mean, like I said before, I wanted to see close above 58.92. The body of the candle close above that for me to consider any buys, because that was a resistance area for me. And
yeah.
It just went in, created a wick, and coming down again. But it's okay. Good day for me.
Looking for a higher time frame confirmation would be if we see something in here. Could be a negation candle, something like that, and then looking if this one doesn't break the low, then looking to take it from here, stop loss under here.
Yeah.
So this could still work out.
It could, yeah. It feels like a wick fill on a 15-minute chart.
Yeah.
We're just talking different language, but
30-minute could be taking this doji because it pushed up and it didn't take, it left this liquidity behind. And 30 minutes started with the FU candle.
FU candle, yes.
So I'm still keen from here. So many bullets left in the gun. Oh no, don't do it.
Oh,
That's going to negate everything.
Yeah, I see everything, yes.
I was thinking there's maybe more rooms to the down to the 4-hour London low. So still respecting anyway.
You're still in the buy, Akshay? Or you never
I think he closed.
He closed.
So 30-minute didn't do any kind of manipulation. I mean, at least for if I want to hold the position for the longer time to the upside, I need at least 15-minute or 30-minute manipulation first.
Yes.
Then I can look for the holding position. This was just a small scalp till here. Then close my position because I can again enter if the price came back to this area.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
You need at least 15 minutes close bullish, right?
Yeah, in my direction. A manipulation, not just a closing.
Manipulation
candle. Candle has to close in my direction for the manipulation. Then I can say that we at least, because this is a bearish momentum right now going on. I cannot go against that bearish momentum if I don't see the high at least 15-minute or 30-minute manipulation in my direction.
Perfect.
Don't go against that runaway trend. It's gonna kill you. I mean, this is when I found it difficult. Sometimes you might take a blindly buy from here by thinking, strong zone or maybe key level or maybe previous 4-hour or daily rejection, and close your eyes and buy. Sometimes. But I found this strategy the most difficult one when it comes to the zone. You just imagine it, maybe this is the move. Oh no, it's gonna sub you out. Oh, break even. Okay, this is the move. You can try. But the good thing is, even if you execute it in the first time, always wait a second time to be retested. Be a break even. Otherwise, your heart is gonna bump. I think this one is gonna go maybe a little bit down to the 56, 55 area, and that's the area I'm looking for. Proper rejection area. Maybe 10 minutes later, and 11 a.m. starting, and I might be just gonna do barcoding again. Similar move.
Yeah, be just stuck in this range again. Nasty range. If we can get a closure above here.
I'm gonna buy it very soon.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a buy very, very soon. Oh no. I'll probably buy if he break 58 area.
I say?
Yeah.
Well, you're saying how do you the buy? I also entered the buy. But you say for you to hold it, you are expecting what type of manipulation on which time frame?
15-minute, 30-minute manipulation at least. So at least if I'm getting that manipulation, then I can hold. Otherwise, really hard to. Whenever there is a bullish momentum or bearish momentum, and if I want to take a reversal trade, I need at least 15-minute or 30-minute manipulation confirmation. I mean, I can enter early, but if I wanted to hold that position, I need a 15-minute or 30-minute manipulation candle close. Now, if you see when price was dropping, it left a lot of liquidity. So price wanted to push to the upside to take out that liquidity. So for that to be happen, I need at least 15-minute or 30-minute manipulation. So let's say if the 30-minute is closing in my direction, because on 30-minute it was like a came back for the taken out the previous 30-minute big doji candle low here. It already took out that low. Now only thing is I'm waiting for now, it's a bullish momentum or any kind of manipulation happening here. So I can hold that position to push to the upside and anticipating that the 30-minute going to close bullish one.
Okay, I get it.
I mean, based upon 30-minute, you can try to grab that falling knife just based upon the previous doji candle taken out. This doji candle. So you are anticipating that the price taken out that doji, and now if you get the entry here, keeping your stop loss below that FU candle low, and anticipating this 30-minute has to close bullish one. If that 30-minute is closing bullish one, then you can say that we are going again moving to the upside, at least to maybe this area or somewhere, because right now again still we are in that range, still not able to break the previous daily low. Until unless we're breaking the previous daily low, I'm not looking for any kind of bearish momentum for the downside. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, we can sometimes miss the entry. It's just a part of trading. It's not like each and every day you have to look for the entry. If you don't get the entry based upon your setup, just come back tomorrow. No trading is still the winning rate, because you are not losing anything on that day. Instead of trying to grab random entries, anything, if those are not your setups, even if you won that setup, it's not like it's going to happen each and every day. Sometimes next time if you tried that setup and it give you a big loss, then you are going to say, hey, so market is just going against me today. You just follow your trading plan. You don't need to look for the a lot of entries. You can just look for 2 or 3 entries, or maximum 3 entries today in a day, and just look for those quality setups instead of looking for 10 pips, 20 pips, depending upon the setup you are following. Just follow your setups.
I took a small buy at 1957.67 to fill that range towards upside 62.63. Stop loss 57.06, about 6 pip. But this is very tiny. Nothing compared to what I did today. So it's okay even if I get stopped up.
I'm waiting for this 15-minute now to close in 4 minutes, because we do have this set up over here. And then if I can get anything underneath, breaking these lows and giving the rejections again, then I'll take it.
If the 15-minute is again closing doji candle, that again hourly candle can come back downside to take another that doji.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting to trade underneath this doji for longs.
And usually the late session moves are really slow, but you get a better manipulation entries.
Yeah, they're steady moves.
Yeah, steady move.
Steady moves. Takes time, but it slowly goes in your direction. That's what happens. This 15-minute to close bullish doji is okay too, but if it doesn't have to be bearish one, then my idea is not going to be valid.
It can start moving to the upside if it break its own high now.
Yeah, I took a risk entry. Maybe I took a buy here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Stop loss around here. Yeah. See if you're gonna stop me break even or not. She moves. If she doesn't move, I said I'm gonna be going out for dinner tonight.
2-minute noodles or sushi?
The sushi one. Sushi one. Hayden, when are you coming back to London?
I'm going to Jersey this weekend, and then I'm going to be in London the weekend after. Going to go to the Cotswolds on Friday, Saturday, and London on Sunday, on the 18th. Are you still there?
No, I'm gonna take the kids a couple of weeks. You know, the Eid festival is coming for So probably until Turkey, maybe 10 days quickly.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
With the kids, and then come back. I'll probably stay until July, end of July. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm in there heaps. I'm in. So almost every weekend I'll be there. So yeah, this weekend I'm in Jersey, and the next weekend I'll be in London, and the weekend after I'm in London, then the weekend after that I'm in Italy.
Yeah, well, great, man. These things are. I'll probably will give me a call when you're back to London.
Yeah, for sure, definitely.
Yeah. South of the river, anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got a competition in Richmond on the Saturday, 24th.
Richmond Park.
It's at Chiswick High School, I think. No, sorry, Sports High.
The one in near Chiswick Bridge. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. But I might go up a day early on Friday if you're around. Then I'll probably come back on the Sunday, so there for the whole weekend.
Let me know. I'll probably be away next weekend.
Yeah, but the weekend after.
Yeah, I should be back only 7 days time.
Oh, sorry. It's like 3 weeks time. 3 weeks away.
Alright. It's a school holiday these days now. It's gonna be busy with the family.
Yeah, definitely.
I think I found difficult trading in London than Somalia. Because the life here is busy. Trading is starting in Somalia 5 afternoon. 3 afternoon.
The whole day's done.
You've done everything, you finish it, you come home, you're relaxing, or maybe everyone else left in the office already, but just by yourself in your office.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna worry nothing about it, just high-speed internet, that's it. You got your coffee and everything, 2 hours trading, you go home then. I found easy mapping there because I've been doing it. I've been doing it it's the first time I trade in London, to be honest.
Yeah, they go to the London Opens. Can be done in like an hour and a half.
Yeah, you gotta have to get up early, isn't it?
Yeah, 7. 7, ready to like do about 30 minutes to watch it. Yeah. And or 7:30, start 7:30, 30 minutes to watch it, then for the Open.
Yeah, I've been watching you guys doing a G40, so I think she's pretty much the same with the gold.
Yeah, she was a bitch today to me. Actually got a good one. I got a late one after from about 11 o'clock. I got the move, a little bit of the move. Alrighty.
Yeah, this thing doesn't want to stop. It took me out.
It's done the wick fill on the higher time frame.
Yeah, me too. It coming out. I need 5
so
hours.
This area. That's where I want to see rejections from.
I think the rejection is about to come because this hour didn't even do the pullback, isn't it?
It's just opened and closed and dropped.
She's gonna break the daily low and she's gonna drop massively. No.
Oh, that is a massive one, man.
So it's looking like yesterday.
Left
all this liquidity behind. Take this London low. You know what? I'm even keen to have a pending order at like 54.
I have one at 54.25 from morning.
Yeah, that's where I got my alert.
Yeah.
Yeah, exact same level. I like that level.
Yeah, waiting for the closing in direction.
The previous 15 minute didn't close too promising. I didn't like that.
Now this is also new hourly open, so if it already broke the previous hourly low now.
Yes. But this is the time where my old self says sell. So that's when I look for buys.
All right, we're in. We got what's it called? Negative. I'm trying to think. Like reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology. Yeah. Reverse psychology. You just have to think opposite to retail mindset and you're good, man. That's the way I see it. Because before I was looking at my levels to break and just at bottom level breaks and I take a sell, but no, that's not the case anymore. Hey, 66, 1066.
Oh, was that it?
Where's your 5 minutes?
Top right.
That was it.
Yeah.
On the right side?
Top right.
Okay. If this 5 minute close below here.
Yeah, the London lows just here.
If that 5 minutes close below that, all this candle here, you know, it's gonna be crazy. You might see more downtrend. Okay, I want this one to be a rejection candle and close inside the range. Second way, someone looking at the door. 5 minutes about to finish.
Yes, sir.
All right, close inside, darling.
Yeah, just push to the upside.
Come
on. All my bullets are used, so I'm not doing anything else. 3 bullets. First one was a winner. Second 2 were break even, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Just take this doji low now, and then just push and don't come back.
Don't you come back no more.
Yeah, get out of here, gold. You're not welcome here anymore. Alrighty. I've taken it.
Yeah.
Anticipating that this would be a push higher. If it's not, I'll cut my losses pretty quickly.
Someone just called me and said, like Kervin said, you know, someone who is looking to sell 1970 will regret big time. That's what he mentioned in his Zoom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, okay. I just heard that now because I posted my chart in one of the guy that likes to see those things.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what he mentioned, that this was said by Kervin. I'm like, okay. That's the reason I do not listen to too many people anymore, because that confuses you, right? Sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. It's
not that anything. He's a very good trader. I learned a lot from him. Don't get me wrong, but now I think different than what he does. Right? That's the problem.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. I don't think so. It's coming up, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Breaking that daily. It's bleeding big time.
I was taken out.
Yeah.
What is God doing? I don't even understand.
You are not looking at the 3 minutes. 3 minutes created a doji, previous doji.
Top left. Yeah. Come on, push gold.
I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys.
Mm-hmm. come on, push.
So stop loss still going to be below the HCS. This
Yeah.
below here.
Yeah. On the 5. Yeah, that's where mine is. Come on. Get out of here. It's gonna break this high. Get something close above it, that'd be nice.
Yeah, o Vodafone zakaz i uzezi džus tuka minuti, uze peve rast bovi.
You in, Akshay?
No, not yet.
3 minute looked like I was gonna look at it. There's no body whatsoever.
Yeah. It doesn't look promising, right?
Oh, I think it's alright.
All right, okay.
3 minute has to close in bullish.
Okay.
Like it's nice how it's hesitating here. It's either gonna break hard, or it's gonna like
reject hard.
Just take like touch the low and then react, like trigger sellers. It's hesitating so much here, so it's something's going on behind the scenes.
Yes.
And the hour candle has already broken the previous hour candle. We haven't really created any top wick whatsoever so far. So even if we got a top wick up to like the 60, I'd be happy with that. And then it could do whatever. But I think it looks good.
That'll give you 35, 40 pips easy.
Yeah, that's all I'm looking for, like a 50 pip move on this.
I ran out of bullet now. Stupid
Yeah, reload it.
No. If I break my rules one time, then I'll do it again. So no reloading, no. Done is done. I made decent profit, man. What else can you ask for, right?
Oh, exactly.
Nice. Push now.
Push.
I'm playing house money and TG.
Get out of here, gold.
So that would be my entry, probably 54, 56, 44.
That was the best one, yeah.
Yeah. I took the entry there.
Excellent, man. Good job. Nice.
My entry was here, a little bit higher, but I had to survive through this.
I took it from that level. Oh lord, that was heavy risk.
Go on, just piss off now.
Back to 1970.
Oh man, I hope so. Come on.
That's what we want to hear. Nice one. Keep pushing now.
Wow, nice.
That's the area from. Come on. At least the 60.
Yeah, I'm going to take something around this week, as well as if price hesitated to this area, then I'm going to close some partial there.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Otherwise-
Yes.
30's flipped. Ours flipped.
Yeah. Got to break through this little block as well. Little mini one. Come on. Made us wait long enough. Wait, maybe me wait long enough. Normally this is already. I went for a run earlier between London and New York, so I'm not desperate for a walk, but I want to get out of here. Maybe just break the low a little bit and then just push up. Pick up some liquidity with the wick.
Yeah, just push. Don't look back. Push. Anticipation is hourly has to close bullish. That's the anticipation or visualization.
Okay.
If the hourly is closing bullish one, then yeah, we are again going to push to the upside.
We got 44 minutes. I'll be in bed by then.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
I'm
9.
I'm
9
only
PM for
looking.
me. Yeah, it's just 9 PM for me.
Have you heard that book, The Secret?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to push here.
Oh, okay.
If you
The Secret.
send those thoughts out to the world, it's going to happen. This hour is going to close bullish.
There's if you have access to Amazon Prime, there is a movie about that too.
Oh,
Amazon
yeah?
Prime.
Yeah, I've got
yeah.
Amazon Prime.
It's called The Secret. No, it's available in Canada at least, that movie, because with country, a lot of things changes with memberships too now, right? So
Yeah.
Here we go. That's nice.
Here we go,
that's
man.
perfect.
Push.
Come on.
Little bit hesitation.
Yeah, at that bloody...
Secure some.
Yeah.
Because of that attempted down there.
I'll probably secure half.
The smash through it.
Okay, market maker, Garrett already closed half. Now we can push to the
Yeah.
Yeah, and closing the stream. The stream's done. No one's looking anymore.
I'm selling. Market maker, can you hear me? I'm selling.
You're selling.
Yeah.
I was gonna go the other way around.
This is. Oh no, wrong one.
Beautiful. It's gonna fly.
This is my sell. The stop loss. So I can take my stop loss at 61.
Yeah, that's not a good sign, man. Holy look.
Far out.
No, that's not good. That's not good.
It can do a doji and wick and break the high, and this could just be the pullback entry because it did make a new high,
Yes.
but it rejected the
Yes.
no wick candle.
Did you secure something, Hayden?
No, nothing yet.
I'm just gonna go up. This is kind of like a scaring other people, like closing quickly.
Go for this. That's a friendly pullback.
Yeah, that's a friendly pullback.
Man, that 5-minute did not break that attempted FU high, previous attempted FU. So hard.
Yeah, I didn't break the high. Yes, just came and rejected. It didn't even come to that, and there is another attempted after that as well.
Yeah, that's the HCS. So that's why I'm waiting to see if price can break that attempted
Break
HCS.
that.
So look at where the 1 hour on the 1 hour time frame. There was just this neckline here as well. Right here. That wick.
About to take out. Stop loss at break even for me.
Yeah, I was about to take down a couple pips, 1.1 pip. This is max pullback area for me.
Yeah, just push to the upside now. And I should have closed some partial there. 20 pips was there for me. Out.
Ah, shit. Okay, can we just break the high and we're good?
guys. Daily low.
Yeah, it just took it. Now it's got the New York low from Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got clean candles. Liquidity grab from upside. Clean candles down here now. Potentially. Oh well. Well, I'm not gonna sit and watch this too much longer. I'll go to 4:30.
Four-minute on FXCM, if it closes like this, strong FU candle, man. Look at that. Body below previous 4-hour body.
Look at all these rejection wicks from upside. Wicks getting filled, momentum to the downside, wicks being left behind. Yeah, beautiful sell area from up here. Oh, there we go.
Look at that. Look at that. London. So yeah.